Come with us, come and see the alphabet in the kitchen with me. A, B, C, let's sing and play, learning letters in a yummy way. A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for bread, a toasty treat. C is for carrot, crunchy and bright. D is for donut, oh what a sight! Letters and food, hooray, hooray! The alphabet is yummy today. E is for egg, it sizzles in the pan. F is for fish, swimming if it can. G is for grapes, bouncing all around. H is for honey, dripping golden brown. I is for ice cream, sprinkles on top. J is for jam, spreading pop, pop, pop. K is for kiwi, green and fun to chew. L is for lemon, sour faces too. Letters and food, hooray, hooray! The alphabet is yummy today. M is for milk, pour it in a cup. N is for noodles, wiggle, slurp it up. O is for orange, rolling here and there. P is for pizza, cheesy everywhere. Q is for quiche, baking nice and hot. R is for rice, dancing in the pot. S is for soup, steamy and warm. T is for tea, pouring with charm. Letters and food, hooray, hooray! The alphabet is yummy today. U is for utensils, marching in a line. V is for vegetables, healthy and fine. W is for watermelon, juicy and red. X is for xylocarp, coconut instead. Y is for yogurt, berries on the top. Z is for zucchini, sizzle, sizzle, pop. Now we've sung from A to Z. The alphabet is tasty, sing with me. A, B, C, come sing with me. In the kitchen, happy as can be. The alphabet is yummy, hip, hip, hooray! Let's sing and learn every day.